Hi everyone, it's Kendall here. So I am ready to put a new wig on and take care of my hair. Recently I've been neglecting my hair, letting it go super duper dry and brittle, and because of that I have, suffered a little bit of damage and a little bit of loss around my hairline because my hair was dry, it was braided too tightly, and I started using those horrible clips in wigs. Guys, if you're gonna wear wigs on a regular basis, do not wear the clips. You are going to mess your hairline up, like seriously, dude. So today I'm just gonna take care of my hair and show you guys how I do it. Start off with the Cancer Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. Then I follow up with the strengthening treatment. This is a little stronger and a little bit more thick, and follow up with some coconut oil. So I'm going in on dry hair and I'm just gonna apply each of these products and very gently finger detangle my hair. My hair has been getting some length goals, even despite me neglecting it for months at a time. It's actually really sad. But I'm just gonna layer those products on top of each other and gently detangle my hair. So in an effort to stop, putting so much tension on my hair, I've decided that I am going to flat twist my hair to my head instead of getting braids. My scalp can't handle it, so I'm just gonna take this back section after I've applied all my products and just do a simple flat twist on my scalp. This will keep the hair down, but it'll also make sure that I'm not using too much manipulation on the hair, and it's also easier to take it down when I want to wash so that I wash my hair and moisturize it more frequently. But yeah, I have been neglecting my hair for about 2 months, if not longer. Ooh, I don't even want to think about it. And that's the reason why I've slowly seen so much shedding and thinning of my hair. So the thing about wigs is that you can get in these ruts where you're like, it's all right, I don't need to do anything to take care of my natural hair, but you have to care for it just as much as you care for your wigs, more than you do your wigs. So this is just a quick way to get your wigs on without having to go through really, really harsh manipulation. When you get up to the top, make sure that you really care for your edges, because when those are dry, those will snap. Then I'm going to separate this in 2 sections and then do the same as I did before. I'm just going to go through and flat twist. Note that I'm flat twisting everything towards my face. That's going to be important later. All of my twists are going in the same direction. Now, I'm going to take all my twists and slowly start to twist them towards each other so that it all becomes like one giant twist. Incredibly gentle. The thing is, when you wear wigs, you want to use them as a protective style. So this is a great way to quickly put your hair up, but also keep your hair safe. So I'm going to just twist that up and put that on kind of a flat bun against my head. And there you go. There you have it. It's all nice and secure. Now it's time for a wig cap after I do the other side. After that, I like to gently move my immediate edges away from the lace. I don't know if this does anything, but I just like to not have it rub against the lace too much. Yeah, I don't want to use the clips. So instead of using the clips, I'm going to take the drawstring in the back and clip it to itself. This will act the same way as you do elastic band method, but I don't have to sew anything, so lazy hacks. You get to kind of the sideburn area, I like to pull a piece of hair down and then put a bobby pin behind it so that it secures it a little more right behind my ear. I just pull the hair down in a way so that the bobby pin doesn't get stuck in it and it is concealed. Do that on the other side. Use a little bit of powder in the middle part so that everything is really blended. I decided to throw some very, very, very loose, messy curls in it because I just wanted to throw some messy curls in it. And as always, because MyFirstWigs makes wigs that are very, very well made for beginners, obviously MyFirstWig, pre-plet and already pre-bleached, so I didn't really have to do much in that at all. All I had to do is put a little bit of powder in the part, brush through it, and there you go, there you have it. It's nice and secure. Granted, it's not going to be as secure as if you had, say, glued your hair down, but it's also a lot easier than doing that as well. And there you have it, guys. If you want some information on this wig, that'll be down in the description box. It's really great working with MyFirstWigs again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.